This is Mia from Retekess Official. Today I'm gonna show you the TW102. This is a 3 watts window speaker, and the package includes the adapter. We have all the adapters for all the countries, so feel free to buy. And the outside speaker. And the main table speaker. It will protect very well. And this is the menu and the accessory for outside speaker. For this one, it's very small. And it's made of aluminum. This is the inside volume, and this is the outside volume adjuster. You can switch it. And this is the input mute, and this is the outside voice mute. And this is the power button. And this is the speaker. You can use the outside speaker and the outside mic. This is for the window speaker. This one. This is for recording the conversations, and power. Let's connect it. Make sure there is a window or walls between the outside speaker and the inside. Otherwise, there may have noises. So I put it far. And now we can turn it on. Hello, hello. Not open. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. You can adjust the volume here. And it's very clear. Now we can press this to turn it off. If you don't want to speak when you're inside. Now let's take the other one. Hello, 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 hello. You can see it's very clear and there's no other noises. This one is selling very good and it's very easy to use. And you can use the sticker to put it on the window. And the length is about 2.2 meters. If you need longer cables, we have 8 meters, 10 meters, and 15 meters. I'll turn it off. If you have any other questions, feel free to email us at support@retekess.com. By the way, our website is www.retekess.com. Feel free to visit us and buy from us directly. Thank you so much for listening.